Right, so that really was a very particular application, I guess you had in mind to start with. But a lot of companies tend to, use, say, a particular application or a particular part as a benchmark or a way to look at the justification. Was there anything that you had initially that was of interest?
So we had CMM fixtures in mind and inspection gauges. When we ended up looking into it, because we saw you could use the reinforcement, we took one of our parts that we needed to create some jaws for, and that was the part that we really trialed. We got that part made for us and reinforced it, and then we tried it actually on a milling machine, and we started realizing, okay, this is the first time we've seen an additive part that you can actually have in a functional application. There's quite a lot of forces going through this. We're machining this part and we're holding it with a part that's produced by additive manufacturing. That was the trigger for us to kind of say, okay, we want to look into this technology more.
Right. Okay.